All the way, Hannah, all the way, all the way. Can't you do it? Well done, Hannah. What's happening, guys? Day 5 in Marrakesh. Is it 5? I lost count. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday today. Day 5. Right, if you count the first day as well, day 5. So we are just gonna go call the fountain bomb. I just went out for a little walk around the hotel and everything. We're gonna go get some breakfast at the restaurant. And yeah, so hopefully they're all ready and everything. Yeah, let's go. I'm a bit hungry. After the excursion yesterday, I was so hungry. Okay.
A few moments later.
Yes, now guys, what we're doing now is we're just relaxing until... What is this noise? It's like I'm in the garage again. So, okay. We're just relaxing near the pool, everything. Hannah's in the Harris is over there. Taking in some vitamin D. Long awaited vitamin D, I'll be honest with you. The thing is, 3 o'clock, 3:30 is our day trip today. We're gonna go to the desert, and then we're gonna go to the buggy and the camel rides and things like that. The desert excursion, or whatever you want to call it, right? That's at 3:30, 4 o'clock until night time, and we're supposed to see the sunset or something. Whatever, okay, that's that. And then, but before that, we're going to go to the market. The driver's going to come pick us up to go to the market because I've found this medication for my gout. It is really, really good. I want to get some more. Right, okay, we want to get some more. Right, so that's that. Another thing is, yeah, so we've got about 3 hours to kill. So for nice weather, just sit here, relax. Hannah's practicing her swimming. Harris wants to go in the swimming pool, but he's just recovered, okay? Just recovered from his illness. I don't want to send him in the pool and then he catches a cold again, right? So tomorrow, he can go in tomorrow. Right, so yeah, he's there, he's on his phone, just chilling. We're relaxing, we're vibing. That's it, I want to fall asleep for a bit. I'll get back at you guys after. All the way, Anna, all the way, all the way. Can't you do it? Well done, Hannah. Hannah, what happened there?
It hurt in my hand.
A few moments later.
What's happening, guys? Raul TV Vlogs. We are back again, and as you can see there, I've got the traditional attire on today. We're going all traditional, along with Roxanne as well. Roxanne, you going all traditional as well?
Yeah.
Check her out with the traditional outfit as well. Yeah, donning the outfit. So yeah, I've got my traditional scarf on. We are going to the desert for a buggy ride. Camel ride, I don't know, because they don't want to go on the camel, but we'll see what happens.
No,
if they want.
ride.
You don't want to go on the camel?
No.
All right, we'll see what happens, but it's I don't know. And then what it is, we're gonna go on the we're gonna have like a dinner show or something like that, or watch the sunset, whatever. Let's go to the desert. Okay, guys, so we are back at the Medina, at the Jami Al Fana, right? The Medina, the hustle and bustle again. Right, so the thing is, we are going to go to the desert, but a little pit stop at the Medina because I found something that really cures my gout, and I'm gonna go buy everything. I'm gonna buy all of them from him. Yeah, I'm gonna get whatever that is. It's doing all right for me. It's doing okay. Anyway, straight ahead. Harris, where are you? Always stay next to me. What are you doing? Which ones? All right. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are, like I mentioned, we're back in the Medina, the market, the Jami Al Fana, and just ran over something then. I just ran over something. Right, okay, so we've done a little bit of souvenir shopping because this is our last day in Marrakesh, and then we're going to be going to Agadir. So this is our last day in Marrakesh, last night in Marrakesh, so make the most of it. The hustle and bustle of the Medina. What, Hannah? Oh mate, don't go near the snakes. I don't like snakes. Okay, yeah, we're back here. Right, so yeah, but I don't like snakes. So there were snakes there. We don't like snakes. Where's Hannah? Where's Harris? Oh, there. So yeah, we don't like snakes, do we, Hannah? We don't like the monkeys as well, to be honest with you. The monkeys, yeah, monkeys are a little bit crazy as well. So yeah, no monkeys, no snakes for us, okay? Not having it.
It's not as bad as snakes, though.
Yeah, but the thing is, the snake guys, they just put the snakes on you. What in the world are they thinking of? So I didn't go near them. Anyway, we're gonna go get something to eat now. And yeah, let's see where our driver is. I bet he's done one. Yes, I'm only messing. Brother Adil, hook him up. I'm going to leave his number in the description. You guys check him out. And yeah, if you're ever in Marrakesh, hook him up. And yeah, he'll take you to wherever you want to go. Yes, now guys, so we are going to the Agadir desert, okay, for like a little, you know, like a buggy ride or what is it, quad bike ride kind of thing. You can just see the scenery and everything. We would have gone for the camel ride, but Hannah is scared of camels, right? Harris is scared of the camels as well. They don't really like to go to the camels, but yeah. Let's see what we see, and you know, just have a good time, and we'll, you know, enjoy for a little bit. I think we're about another about 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes away, so we're nearly there. Yes, now guys, so we are we're gonna go on the quad. Are you alright, Harris? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go on the quad bike. Let's get to it. Let's go. Let's do it. No, it's okay. It's alright. Go. So Harris, you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Alright guys, so we've just we're in the middle of the desert, the boogie ride, yeah? You enjoying it, Harris? Yeah, he's really loving it. So yeah, we just stopped. We're going to take a little picture. Our guide here is going to take the picture for us, and yeah, onwards. I've still got to do Hannah as well. Hannah has to go on there as well. So let's go. All right, Hannah.
I'm good.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Right, it's getting a bit dark, so we better get on with it. So Harris had a turn. It's your turn now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We're going to take a little picture, and then yeah, we're going to get going. Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but that's it, we're on our way back now. First time really driving in night time, you know, in Marrakesh. I mean, local drive. I mean, we're always driving about, you know, like in town and stuff, but like on the you know, like a highway kind of thing. And yeah, the thing is, it's not really lit in Marrakesh. I mean, around this area. So have a look. Again, do it again.
Open it. Turn it on. Open. No, pull it.
No, that's not what it.
Pull it.
Will you take a picture of me and Hannah, please?
We're matching.
No, matching.
Oh, beautiful.
Right, guys, we have just arrived back at the hotel from our desert trip, excursion, moped, whatever you want to call it, quad bike. Check Zaina out, right? So good, she's recovered. She's loving it now. She's running about and everything. Absolutely great. Harris is still there. He's about 80% okay. So, yeah, we've still got a few more days left. So they can enjoy the last few days of our holiday. Zaina, she's loving it now. So, yeah, annoying everybody, which is good. I like her to annoy everything. That's a sign of that she has recovered. Right? So, all good. Zaina, what are you doing? You're up to your mischief again. No. Put that in the picture.
Dad, the straw is in the drink of.
It's okay.